In a bid to strengthen filial responsibility, a Senate bill aims to make it a crime for adult children to abandon or fail to support their aging parents. Under the proposed Parents Welfare Act, offenders may face fines and years of imprisonment, with the state providing legal aid to elderly complainants seeking justice. Harley Valbuena reports.
Doribet De Vera, a 67-year-old mother, is already retired from being a beautician and currently has no regular source of income. Hence, she expects support from her 3 children, especially when she gets sick.
Maganda pa rin yung talagang tumutulong ka. Ibig sabihin, tumatanaw ka pa rin ng utang na loob sa magulang mo, nagpalaki sa'yo, nag-alaga sa'yo, nagpaaral. Sana maisip nila yon na pag naging magulang na rin sila, tulungan din sila ng anak nila.
Doribet is among those who are expected to benefit from a bill filed in the Senate which seeks to criminalize children who will abandon their aging, sick, and incapacitated parents. Under the proposed Parents Welfare Act of Senator Panfilo Ping Lacson, parents will be able to file petition in courts to issue support order against their children. They will be provided free legal representation from public attorney's office. Should the respondent fail to comply within the support order for 3 months, he or she will face 1 to 6 months imprisonment and 100,000 pesos fine. Meanwhile, whoever has the care or protection of a parent in need of support and abandons him or her will face 6 to 10 years in jail and 300,000 fine. Senator Lacson said the bill aims to strengthen filial responsibility of adult children to their parents, citing that the presence of abandoned elderly in the streets are becoming typical. National Commission of Senior Citizens expresses support for the bill, but they call for the inclusion of penalizing other violations of elderly's rights.
We want it to be a criminal offense instead of just an administrative offense. When you talk about violence, just like domestic violence, it encompasses a range of actions na being, suffered or being inflicted on an older person. So it can be emotional, it can be verbal, it can be physical, it can be economic even, no?
NCSC added that safeguards should be considered against potential abuse of the bill, citing the parents that abandon their children first but will eventually ask support from them.
Medyo masalimuot pa yan eh. Mas maganda siya kung maiayos natin at maiplastada natin. Kumbaga all the necessary criteria, protocols, including yung mga engagements should also be embedded. But I think that will be tackled in an IRR.
Moreover, the bill also pushes for the establishment of old age home in every province and highly urbanized cities for sick or incapacitated parents. NCSC meanwhile said that currently there are only 4 residential care facilities for abandoned senior citizens handled by the Department of Social Welfare and Development, while others are private facilities. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.